Round of applause, please.
Things haven't changed much since my first speech. People are still staring. So as Siddharth sir mentioned, I'll be delivering my second module. In times where media has given so much exposure to us, to people all around the world, exposure, when I say exposure, I mean exposure to celebrities, controversies, both over actual and pointless issues, don't seem to die out soon. And I'm here to talk in front of you about one such issue, a very recent one, where Maria Sharapova did not know who Mr. Sachin Tendulkar is. It began like a top tennis icon hasn't heard of a top-notch Indian cricketer who's worshipped by almost half of the world. Well, I really need to read before I forget. Okay, so talking about controversy, was this really a controversy? I think it was much more. It was a social uprising against one of the heinous crime ever done by a tennis player. How could she not recognize the little master? Unbelievable. I mean, wars have been fought for less. And madam, how could she just go out openly and talk about and answer a simple question posted by a reporter? How dare she? But one will have to admit that her words really brought out the patriotism in all of us. And I don't know about you all, but I really liked it because patriotism has been shown by us Indians only on two occasions, on Independence Day and of course India-Pakistan match. So instead of thanking her, 17% of our world population hijacked the social networking websites and launched a personal agenda against her. Within hours, hashtag who knows Maria Sharapova was a trending topic on Twitter. And her profile was filled with insults, memes and all the abuses you can think of. So after this Sachin loving populace was done painting a picture of our skewed sensibilities and egos, I thought to myself a couple of things. So ICC, which is the governing body of the cricket board, is only registering 11 nations out of 300 now as test playing nations. Maria Sharapova is from Russia and now lives in US. Now this sport has absolutely no significance when it comes to these places. Now I understand that we are a population of over 1.2 billion, but we need to understand that the sport that we excel in is cricket, is not one of the most popular sport when it comes to the world. So also we need to understand that a sports person is not a historian. You cannot expect him or her to know every legend, even if it's a sport which is as alienable as cricket for her. Talking about our own Virendra Sehwag, he had absolutely no clue about who Pankaj Roy was. Pankaj Roy was a Padma Shri whose record he had just broken when he was asked about Pankaj Roy. Now Pankaj Roy was of same nationality, same cricket, same sport, and even the same batting position. So it is all very well to idolize our heroes, have long conversations about their greatness, even romanticize sort of bond we have around them. But to expect the whole world to sort of follow this suit is a tad unreasonable. Moreover, what was irritating was sort of how people took offense of someone who professes that she doesn't know something. So fanatics argued, fanatics including my friends, argued that this is the way we could teach her a lesson and maybe now she'll identify the cricketer. So definitely she will identify him, but come to think of it, she will recognize Sachin Tendulkar with a lot of millions and billions of fans who were ready to humiliate her. Is this how we want Sachin Tendulkar to be remembered? We Indians take a lot of pride in cultural diversity. So taking that concept forward in sport, why can't we just let go of such small things, and why make a mountain of such a small molehill? Why can't we do things with dignity and grace, the sort of things which Sachin Tendulkar himself is associated with? So instead of showcasing a disturbing bankruptcy of thought, we can simply let go and say, it's an everyday issue, celebrities talk about each other all the time. So, unless it is demeaning or offensive to anyone, why give it so much attention and publicity? More than it needs actually. Moreover, there are so many things happening across the planet which we can talk about, which are due for discussion in fact. So such gossips can definitely be avoided. I'd like to conclude with a comical tweet which I read. So it goes like Sharapova asking, who is Sachin Tendulkar? It's like Sandeep Singh asking, who is Maria Sharapova? Now don't ask who is Sandeep Singh.
Thank you so much.